My name is Erica Augenstein. I'm a credit repair specialist with EA Group. We are not taught about credit. We're not taught about credit repair, how important it is to your life. Even for myself, I didn't even consider my credit until I was maybe in my late 20s, early 30s. So I didn't want to make that mistake with my own son. So the process is pretty simple. A lot of times, the first thing I would do is a consultation. So during the consultation, we go over what your goals are, what you're trying to do. Are you trying to buy a house? Are you trying to buy a car? Or are you just trying to improve your credit? So once the consultation is done, I do what we call a credit analysis. And the credit analysis gives me a full detail of what's on your credit. So a piece of education goes in with that credit analysis because I'm telling the client, yes, I'm going to fight for this and I'm going to help you remove that. But they also have to take on some responsibility as well, like keeping their credit cards under 30%, paying their bills on time, and not applying for any new credit while we're repairing their credit.
My name is Alexis Bruce. I am a recent college graduate from the University of Michigan Dearborn. Erica has helped me repair my credit by using the HIPAA law to remove medical records from my credit report. I'm expecting a child now, so I think it's important that I have built my credit and be in a good, stable place for not only myself, but for my child. I'm looking forward to looking for a house or a condo or anything for me and my child to live in.
If you're interested in working with me and having your credit repaired, you can go to my website at ericaeagroupllc.com.